Hey guys, welcome to the Zero Degree Code. In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you make your portfolio looking like this using just normal HTML, CSS, and vanilla JS. Okay, so what I will provide the source code of this repo link. You have to just do a git clone. Okay, after this, just go to this folder and open your VS Code. Okay, after doing this, you open your VS Code. You can see all the things. Okay, now it's time to how can you make your portfolio looking like this in just a few seconds. It's also a mobile responsive. I show you. You can see a hamburger icon with a special effect. Okay, so if I make it more small, you can see all the score. Okay, so it's looking like on mobile screen size. Okay, yeah. Now it's time to how can you make your portfolio looking like this? So you have to just go on the index.html file, and here you can change your name. Like I am zero degree coder. Okay, so you can see a change. Zero degree coder. I'm a creative designer, and you can add your all the things, and also you can also use cb links on the href link if you wanted to, using href a tag. And next thing is that there's like about me section. You can also change according to yourself. Okay, and there's some image sources. This.spc. There is press the page, so you can see different images, but I don't know why it's not working. Okay, and the next thing is that basically whatever you want to change, go ahead and change this on this folder, and you have to just there is css file style.css, and utility.css. That's all. Okay, thank you.